These pecan tartlets from Target are amazing. So I had a few of them left over from a different recipe, and so I got them into a muffin tray and got these Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. These are the regular 8 count, not the grands. So go ahead and get some wax paper and another sheet, and you can use either a rolling pin or just do like I did and just use your hands. Just kind of flatten them out. This is such a good kind of like leftover, kind of like brunchy breakfast snack to have over the holidays. And it's something that you can have the kids help you with too. Once you have them all flattened out, go ahead and take each one, and you're going to be putting a pecan tartlet inside of each one. It's kind of like like a pie cake in, but a cinnamon roll. And I'm going to pop the other ones in. Add a little bit of heavy cream on top of each one, just make them fluffy, and then they're going to go in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And this is what they look like. They look so good. Transfer them onto a wooden serving platter, pop the icing into the microwave for like 10 seconds, and drizzle them all over. I don't like to waste anything, so I'm going to use all of it. And then get some Ready Whip, because who doesn't like whipped cream with their pecan pie? So you're going to put a little bit on top of each one, and then they'll be ready to serve. And that is why